Okay, so we're asked to find the measure of the acute angle between these two lines. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do out a T and get it ready to take in and I'm going to use it to get my two slopes. Okay, so I have to get the slopes of two lines here. So I have to get the slope of x minus 3y minus 2 equal to 0, and I have to get the slope of 3x minus y minus 5 equals 0. Okay, so all I need to do is I need to isolate y. So y minus 3y is equal to minus x plus 2. So 3y is equal to x minus 2. So y is equal to 1/3 x minus 2 over 3. And then over here we have that minus y is equal to minus 3x plus 5. And we have then that y is equal to 3x minus 5. So this implies then that now from both of these, then here we see that m is equal to 1/3, and here we see that that's m1, and here we see that m2 is equal to 3. Now what you can do here quickly for slopes too, and you just want to be really careful with this, if a line is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, we should be able to see then, if we try to get the slope of any line like this, that by will be equal to minus ax minus c. So y would be equal to minus a over bx minus c over b. So this implies the slope of any line like this is actually equal to minus a over b. Okay, so this is the, so what we're looking at here is, this is the x coefficient on top, and this is the y coefficient on the bottom. Now we just need to be careful if you are going to use that method. Okay, it is nice and quick, but you need to make sure that your line is in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 first of all. So if we see it here, the coefficient of x was 1, the coefficient of y was minus 3, so 1 over minus 3, change the sign, will give me 1 over 3. Here we have 3 over 1, and 3 over minus 1, and a sign change then would give me my 3. And then we know that the tan of my angle, theta, is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. Now we're asked here for the acute angle, which means we want the positive angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just rub out the plus and minus, and I'm going to use my absolute value. And with most of these questions, you're better off to tackle it like this. Get the absolute value for the two slopes in here. And then if you need the other angle, it's only a simple fact of subtracting it from 180. Because when you're using minuses with the trigonometry, it can cause a little bit of a problem. Okay, so let's fill them into our formula then. So the tan of our angle is equal to 1/3 minus 3 over 1 plus 1/3 times 3. Okay, so we just get all that onto our calculator together. Okay, so I'm going to press my absolute value button, ABS, and then I'm going to open up my fraction, and then I'm going to go 1/3 minus 3, and on the bottom 1 plus bracket 1/3 times 3. Press equals, so I get 4 over 3. So then the tan of theta is equal to 4 over 3. So this implies that theta is equal to the inverse tan of 4 over 3. So then